That's it, nice and controlled.
This is almost a minute. This is like a minute off every start.
Yeah, oh yeah.
That's it, Tim. That's it. Stretch it out early. Good. Firm backs in the catch. Bring the oar handle with you. Move the oar handle with the slide.
Got a little bit of that lunge still. Yeah. There.
Okay, let's slow it down a little on the recovery, Tim. I want you to really think about not lunging here. Good, good. You guys are doing pretty well for these conditions here. Excellent, okay, just stand up on it this time. Stand on it at the catch. Good, Kenny. Okay, it's sort of clear here. Let's take a 20 here in the high 20s. Early body angle, let's really think about it. Firm backs at the catch. Stretch it out, Tim. Stretch it out early. Good. Keep your back strong, Kenny. Now let's really see this settle. Slow on the slide, but still full pressure. That's it. You guys look firm. That's good. Okay, we're going to bring it in, Peter.